This is Robert, the restaurant owner. He wanted to retrofit the old fluorescent lighting in his restaurant, and his regular repairman suggested ShineLong T5 Batten Lights. Robert wasn't sure why, so the repairman told him that their plug-and-play design makes them easy to replace and install in a series. Less work and less money spent, not to mention that its super high luminous efficiency and the long lifespan add to the savings too. With a structure of PC diffuser and an aluminum body, they're very durable, resistant to rust and dust, and completely safe for use in restaurants like Robert's, supermarkets, hospitals, warehouses, schools, and other industrial or public areas. Robert wanted to know about warranties, so the repairman told him that they come with a 3-year warranty, are CE and RoHs certified, and that he never had any problems with them. Fully convinced, Robert got the new lights for his restaurant and is happy that his guests are enjoying them. Want to know more? Then visit us now and get great tube lights for your space.